Once upon a time, in a quiet pond surrounded by reeds and greenery, there lived a heron. The heron was a proud bird with long legs and sharp beak that made it easy for him to catch any fish he wanted. Every day, the heron would stand still in the shallow water, waiting patiently for its prey to come and to be hunted. One day, the heron was waiting patiently in the shallow water when a small fish swam past. The heron quickly seized it with its beak, but upon close inspection, the heron realized that the fish was too small for him to eat, and he threw it away. He released the fish back into the pond, thinking that a larger, more satisfying fish would soon come his way. As the day went, the heron continued to wait. Another fish swam by, and it was a bit bigger than the previous one, but it was not large enough to satisfy the heron's appetite. And once again, the heron released the fish into the water, thinking that another bigger one would soon come on his way, and he thought that confidently. The sun began to set, and the heron was growing increasingly hungry. Finally, a larger fish came, and it was the biggest one he had seen that day. Excitedly, the heron prepared to strike. The fish slipped through his beak and disappeared into the murky water. The heron, disappointed and hungry, realizing that its day of waiting and searching for the perfect meal had left him with nothing to eat. The moral lesson, my friends, do not be too hard to suit, or you may have to be content with the worst or nothing at all. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.